Hello and welcome back. This is Athar. Today's video is a little different what I usually share. Something quieter, more serene. I have been experimenting with a calm cinematic style, so I think you will enjoy it. This video was filmed entirely on my cell phone, which is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So we are heading into Boffins Garden. This is one of my favorite places to unwind. It's absolutely picturesque and the perfect escape from the everyday rush. So for the next 3 minutes, settle in and take a peaceful stroll with me. Let's slow down and enjoy the beauty together. If this vibe speaks to you, consider hitting like and subscribe button and maybe sharing with someone who could use a bit of calm too. Thanks for watching.